So if you're going out for the day or you're going to bed, you want to make sure that you put the blinds on the windows. These can be stored up here with your bedding on the shelf above the cab. And all you want to do is open this out and put the reflective part on the window. So that way it reflects the sun out in the morning or keeps the van cool. So it's secured with magnets around the outside which attach onto the van around the edge. So all you want to do is slide it into place and lift it up, and then just make sure that it's secured around the edge in order to give you a blackout window blind. There's also 2 window blinds for the back 2 windows, which can just be folded in half and stored above the door there with the magnets. The other thing you have is this curtain at the front, which again is a blackout curtain. It's on a runner at the top, so all you need to do is pull that to the side, and again there's magnets in this which attach to the strip on the side, and all you want to do is just place that down the side, which then gives you a complete blackout van.